Good day, happy travelers. Today we are fresh back from a 7-day cruise on Celebrity Constellation, and today we're giving a room review on the room we stayed at. Room 9124, a Prime Concierge Class Balcony. So if you're watching this, maybe you're in room 9124, maybe you're just curious what a Prime Class Concierge room looks like and all the benefits that come with it. And we'll talk about it. First thing I like to do is show you where the room is located before I give you the details of the room. And the room is located in the rear part of the ship. You got the stairs and elevators really close. Midship, not too far away, is elevator and stairs that'll take you up. And what is above you, might you ask? The Lido deck. The buffet, more specifically, and it's noteworthy from a sound standpoint. I will say 98% of this cruise, we did not hear a thing. However, at about 10:30, 11 p.m. at night, if you're an early, you go to bed early, or at 4:30 in the morning to about 5:15, this little walkway that you see here goes right over your room. And so with that, there's a cart that they push, whether it has plates, food, I don't know. But every morning, almost like clockwork, and every evening, it sounded like thunder. So if you can sleep through thunder, it's no big deal. It lasts only a moment. But will it wake you? It did me. So I just call that out just in case. Is it as bad as that one Carnival ship I was on when I was right above the DJ? Till like 1 in the morning? No, it's not that bad. It's brief, but they definitely obviously make stops at all the tables to I think they're just refilling salt and pepper is my guess. But what's below you? The 8th floor, very quiet. Didn't hear anything from there. One last comment about this room. See this little line right here in the circle? This means they are adjoining rooms. And just one note, and you'll see in the video that I'm going to show you right now, is that noise does come through the wall. And we did make efforts to put that in. So here is the room. First glance when you walk in, we had the 2 beds put together. And then that couch pulls out to be a bed. So that's what it looks like with it extended. If you want to know what the room looks like with it shut, I'll post my video right here for room 9126. I stayed, my room was right next to my parents' room. So you can see what it looks like. But we'll continue on in here. So the room has plenty of space. It is not short by any stretch in terms of comfort. Here is the bathroom. Plenty of room for towels. Just one little comment on this part right here. After I stayed on Carnival Mardi Gras, one of the ways they chose to save space was to pinch the toilet, so you kind of had like to sit at an angle. This no problems on the toilet here. Plenty of leg room for people. There's plenty of shelf. I will call out right here that you can see there's shampoo, conditioner, body wash provided. If you stayed on a Carnival ship or Royal Caribbean, if you're lucky, you get body wash and shampoo. Otherwise, it's the one fits all, the degreaser special. Also, I will note that is a shower curtain. I prefer the capsule. I got a morning of hugs with the shower curtain. There's the fridge, holds the water, and that is the noise dampening solution. Was it perfect? It reduced the noise. I guess there's a little bit of a gap. We just had people laughing when they came back from the dance club, but you could hear the laughs pretty loud. So if you have a connecting room, just I don't know, knowledge is power. I just like to say that. As it comes to power, there is no power at the nightstand. Just call that out, show you where the power is. Again, no power over there. And you get chocolates. There's a pillow menu, 9126. That other video I mentioned will show you all the pillows that you can get. Luggage stores nicely under the bed. And then here's the desk. Here's the power. There's 4 power outlets, 3 American power outlets, and 1 European or international power outlet. Again, the video in 9126. We are very connected, my family. Not nearly as connected as our room was. So in our room we had 2 of these plugged in, but it's like a USB extender. So you plug it in, you got your plug plus 3 USB plugs. So we were You could make it work. It's crowded. It looks like a rat's nest of cords, but nevertheless, it absolutely worked. There are the other cords over there. My parents got a couple bottles of Bacardi. The balcony was on the other side of there with it pulled out. Pretty difficult. Hey, I point this out. The ceiling is metallic. So if you like a ceiling fan in your room, there are USB ceiling fans. Get a USB extending cord and a couple magnetic hooks from Amazon. And from the desk, you can route power across your ceiling and have some air moving over you. I also want to call out that in our room, it was hot. And we had to get the attendant to help us out. Here is the space for your clothes. There is plenty of stuff and space and shelves, and there's a safe there just to store your clothes. Lots and lots and lots of space. We'll open up this other one here, showing you that there's hooks and a place for the couch blankets. This luggage holds very good in here as well. So that is the room as a whole, and that's the tour. So again, noise above. Now, what comes in the concierge classroom? What did we take advantage of? In 9126 video, I did show the tapas. Every day you got a plate of miscellaneous food. We actually didn't eat it, but other amenities include a concierge class lunch. You get to go in to they'll give you the name of a restaurant, and you can go there, sit down, and get served a lunch, as opposed to battling it out with the rest of the embarking crowd in the Lido deck, and maybe you get a seat, maybe you don't. So that's nice. One sparkling bottle of wine, daily delectable delights, those are the tapas, and a pillow selection. They do give you a pillow menu that you can select, and my room had about probably 18 pillows. We use them though. The other room that you just saw, not as many, and they come with like body pillows and nice down pillows is good. In your room will be a umbrella and some binoculars as well. You will get a key holder, an embossed key holder, which I use. And the bedding was nice. It was comfortable, a nice seating area as you saw. And then you saw the mini fridge. The hair dryer is in the room. We didn't use the other things that are mentioned here. I wear tennis shoes, didn't get a shoe shine. But you can pause and read this. So in short, the room, if I had to choose again, I'd probably choose the 8th floor. And if I had to also choose one more time, I might choose us to be connecting with my parents, if I had to do it all over again. Or just choose 2 non-connecting rooms if I had to do it all over again. But the one last note about this is that the gratuity is 2% higher per person per day than the non-concierge classrooms. So did I take full advantage of the concierge? Yeah, I think I probably did. But anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, until the next video, travel safely.